refresher. Alright, let's do a refresher real quick. Okay, so there's a bunch of different ways to do factoring, okay? Because the directions say factor, okay? The very first way that we look at was GCF, okay? Alright, so does this have a GCF? Yes. What's the biggest number that goes into 27 and 18? 9. And then what about the Y's? What's the biggest Y that they both have in common? Just a Y. Alright, and then 27 divided by 9 is 3. And you had 2 Y's, you took out 1. There you go. Alright, what's 18 divided by 9? 2, but you took out your Y. Y'all okay? How do you know if you did it right? You distribute it, yep. Yep. Alright, what about number 2? Number 2 is the same thing, you just got a bunch of them, right? So, what about, you've got -4, -8, and 2. What number goes into all three of those? 2. Alright, you got A squared, A, and A. What do they all have? They all have an A. You got B squared, and B. They all got a B in common. There you go. So you just got to slow down on these. No, it's not standard form. You could take out the negative if you wanted to. On this one, you just kind of have to see how they give your answer choices. Well, they probably will take out that negative leading. Let's take out the negative leading. Oh, we don't have a negative leading. But you kind of have to see how the answer choices are given. Okay. All right. What's -4 divided by -2? 2. And you had 2 A's. You took out 1. How many you got left? How many? 1. You got 2 B's. You take out 1. You got 1. What's -8 divided by -2? How much? +4. All right. You had an A, but you took him out. You had 2 B's. You took out 1. So you got 1 left. Is this bringing back some memories? Yeah? All right, what about this one? What's 2 divided by -2? -1. You took out your A. You took out your B. Are y'all okay? Yeah? All right. What about 3, 4, and 5? What'd y'all get for 3? 3. Look at y'all go. Look at y'all. All right, what about 4? UT. Very good. All right, because this one has a 1 right here, right? All right, so what do you have left? Yeah. Plus 21T. Perfect. -1. You can't forget about that -1. You only took out the U and the T. You still got the -1 left, okay? All right. All right, last one right here. Or no, we got 2 more. Sorry. What's this one have in common? 5x. What you got left?
3.
Beautiful. Look at y'all go. What about this one? Ooh, what about that one? Does 1.6 go into 6 evenly? No? Okay. So you got 1.6W plus 6. Y'all okay? All right. So, I got outvoted by the Algebra II teachers. They all were like getting it yesterday with this stuff, so that's why we had to catch up because they're already halfway done. So do we remember how to do 7 through 12?
Sure.
Yeah, remember those perfect squares that we did?
Sure.
There's a reason why we did those perfect squares. What is the biggest perfect square that divides into 24? 4 times what is 24? 6. The square root of 4 is, bless you, 2 square root of 6. You're on a test and you're like, I don't know if I did that right or not. What could you do? 2 times square root of 6 and you'll get a decimal. And then square root of 24 and you'll get a decimal. So square root of 24 and then 2 square root of 6. See how they're the same? Alright, let's do one more. And then we'll call it a day. Alright, last one. 500. What's the biggest perfect square that goes into 500? This one should be easy. 100. And 100 times what is 500? And then what's the square root of 100? 10 square root of 5. There you go. Are y'all okay? And then we'll finish up the rest of these tomorrow. These are easy, right? Hopefully. Alright. So then we did our quiz, and then we went over our tests. So if you still got your test, I need it back. And how long do you have to do test corrections? 1 week, because your teacher screwed up and kept your test for 2 days, and she kept forgetting to give them back to you. So